Hey guys, so which one of these exchanges had a massive rally yesterday after we identified the best place to order to buy your HODL token? So we're going to review that today, as well as what do we see today on the charts in regards to the best opportunities to buy HODL tokens. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk. Let's get into the charts. Okay. Now let's look at both of these charts. Again, they're both paired, and they should be resembling a similar pattern because they're following each other. So let's only focus on the mothership instead. All right. So when you look at it, yesterday when we were looking at the chart, we were right here, right? And so we had this level of support that we were on, and so we bounced off that level of support, had some nice buying up in the 4 hours, and then let me change this so you could see. And so so yeah, here we are. We had a nice little rally up, and then this morning it seems like there's some still sell off. We still have a sell off going on in regards to I'm pretty sure that there's a whale out there liquidating a little bit. And at these levels, I don't understand how that could happen. But hey, you know what? Let it be, and we'll be able to pick this up on at a discount later on. And so continue to watch this to see where this bottoms out. But I cannot understand how anyone would be selling at these levels and be profitable. But still, it's going on. We're going to continue to watch it. We are approaching another support area, so let's watch it and see what happens. And if it starts to turn away, it might be a nice opportunity to start to get in. But we'll continue to watch that. All right. So let's look at how we did on LBank and Dcoin. So we talked about it yesterday about this. I think yeah, opportunity to be able to get in. And so really nothing happened here. And I think part of the reason was that this wasn't the best cost option when we spoke about it. And then it went a little bit lower, and sure enough, it hit this level here, and people realized that it was a discount compared to everything else, and then bought that rally. I really think that when you look at these exchanges, we are literally underperforming in these. And what I mean by that is there is no reason why we can't take these exchanges back to look at how high it got on first day. But even if it's not that, there's no reason that this exchange cannot run up. And so over the next, I'd say, few weeks, I'm really going to be focusing on LBank and seeing what we could do to get that up. Because right now, this from a trading standpoint, this is underperforming, and so we definitely have the opportunity to take this up. We just have to be able to get control from the sellers, and we'll be talking about that. So we want to take control from these sellers and then turn it into a bullish market, and then we will be able to move forward. So the bears right now have control of it, but the bears. I mean, the Bears have control, but the Bulls need to come back and pick that up. And so we have a little bit of work to do to kind of get around this bend right here. Start making a little bit more recent higher highs, but that's going to be the focus. We need to look at these exchanges and really trade on them. So we're going to be doing that. And I saved the best for last. So when you look at BitMart, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The Bulls took control from the Bears and drove the price up. We had some profit taking, and then the bub drove it right back up. Had some profit taking, drove it right back up, and then we had some profit taking here. So this is what I mean by when the Bears start to take control away from, I mean the Bulls start to take control away from the Bears. You start to see this drive, and eventually, guess what? You run out of sellers, right? This is what we're doing. We're getting the sellers to sell. Sellers are going to run out, and then the bears are going to overtake them and take it out. So that's what's going on. We'll continue to drive this. This is what I want you guys to do. I mean, again, not giving financial advice, but for me, if you're trading this market, this battle between the bears and the bulls is very interesting. Let's see who wins, right? So right now, The bears sold off, and now the bulls need to come back. At some point, you will run out of the bears, right? And then you overtake them. So this is another exchange that when you look at its performance, there is no reason why we can't get this thing. Look at where it was. Look at that, right? So massive amount of opportunity here, and I really feel that we are going to be able to get there. And so with that said, let's continue to look at this, but right now I really think that we're in a good spot. We have a double bottom here. Yeah, it's a matter of time now because now we just keep going up. We're going to get rid of all the sellers, and the bears and the bulls are going to take control of this market. I could see that happening. So I'm really excited about that. And we just need to get the same thing on LBank going, and I think you'll start to see some great progress on the exchanges. So really, really excited to see what I'm seeing here. We need to get Pancakeswap up a little bit, but let's wait till these guys get through dumping their bag. But I really think that we have an opportunity to turn this around once we get rid of those folks. All right, now we're going to look at where is it the best place to buy for today. So we'll do that right now. Let's get to the spreadsheet. Okay, let's look at the spreadsheet. So when you look at the spreadsheet, right now, what it's looking like is the best place to buy is Pancakeswap. So if you buy in Pancakeswap, you're going to get 6.9 billion tokens right now on for $100 of investment. Versus on BitMart, you would get 5.9 billion. So that's 1 billion more on Pancakeswap today. If you're looking to shop around today, the Pancakeswap has the best deal compared to BitMart and LBank. Dcoin is the same thing in regards to that, and if to me, I would buy on Pancakeswap rather than Dcoin. But so right now, best place to get your token today, if anybody's shopping around today, is going to be on Pancakeswap because of the run-ups that we had on BitMart and LBank. It made them a little bit more expensive, right? And so yeah, if you wanna get the biggest bang for your buck, it is going to be on Pancakeswap. Now, on these exchanges, we need to continue to focus and drive these prices up. We could definitely drive these to some of the all-time highs that there are because the how easy it is for us to be able to kind of get these sellers to come out, get their positions off the book, and then we'll be able to drive that price up. So that's what I'm trying to see happen, is that we continue to drive BitMart and LBank up. Again, I'm not giving financial advice, but just looking at the data that we have, it's really just looking at the prices and then the taxes associated with them to see where the biggest bang for your buck. So if you buy anywhere else, if you buy in BitMart, you'll be a minus 14. If you buy at LBank, it'll be a minus 12, or Dcoin, it'll be a minus 1 because all these show better profitability from buying Pancakeswap. So by just buying on Pancakeswap compared to BitMart, you're $14 up. Compared to LBank, you're $12 up, and compared to Dcoin, it's about $1. So overall, Pancakeswap today is the best place to buy. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.